Our history. The term history comes from the Greek word historia, which means inquiry, knowledge acquired by investigation. History is the study of human past that enables us to analyze the changes over time. It is an act of both investigation and imagination to explain how human beings have changed over time. Need to study history. The study of the past is important to understand the present, because history is a continuous story of one event leading to another. When we study history, we can get the information about the lifestyle of earlier people, such as their clothing, the way they lived, their food habits, etc., and also how all these changes with time. History also tells us about wars and battles that happened in the past. So, if we are able to know about the past, we can understand the present well. To know and fully understand the world we live in, we have to be aware of its past. The story of human civilization is long, so we cannot read and understand them easily. Moreover, growth of human civilization has many stages, so the historians divide the entire history into groups. Primarily, history is divided into prehistory and protohistory. Prehistory includes the period from the evolution of man to the invention of the art of writing, and protohistory includes the period from the invention of the art of writing to yesterday. History has been divided into three periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. In India, history is divided into ancient period, from prehistory to around 647 CE, death of King Harsha. Medieval period, from 647 CE to about 1707 CE, death of Emperor Aurangzeb. Modern period, from 1707 CE onwards. Let us read more about these periods. The ancient period. Ancient period is very old period. During the ancient period, many important incidents happened in India. Evidence of the earliest human habitation is found here. Then, the Indus Valley civilization flourished. It was one of the earliest human civilizations of the world. After the Indus Valley civilization came the Aryans. The Aryans came to India from Central Asia around 1500 BCE and settled in the Indus Valley region. The Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Upanishads were written during this period. Aryan people spread all over India. Many kingdoms came into power. Some great kings are Emperor Ashoka, Chandragupta, etc. The period ends with the death of King Harsha of Kannauj. The medieval period. The most important event in Indian history was the arrival of Muslims to India. Qutbuddin Aibak established a new empire called the Delhi Sultanate. The medieval India was ruled by the Delhi Sultanate, the Mughals, and many Hindu and Muslim rulers in South India. The modern period. Modern period begins with the death of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. During the Mughal period, the English, the French, the Portuguese, and the Dutch started trading with India. The British defeated them and took control over all the trading centers in India under the English East India Company. The revolt of 1857 was an important incident. There was long struggle for independence. India achieved freedom on 15th August 1947. After that, many important incidents happened.